Good afternoon. We are here at the IMTS show in Chicago in the DigitalituM studio booth, German pavilion. We have another guest. Her name is?
Hi, I'm Nina from Peakboard.
Welcome, Nina. And what brings you to beautiful Chicagoland?
Yeah, so we started with our US office this year. So we founded our US company, Peakboard America, in April. And I'm here in the US since beginning of May. I live here in Chicago now. And yeah, our Peakboard America office is in Chicago as well. And yeah, that's why I'm here.
So you're my first German local I met here.
Oh, that's nice.
And I just assume Peakboard is a German company. Where are you guys based?
So yeah, we are based in Stuttgart. It's in the south of Germany. There's our headquarters. We are more than 30 employees in Stuttgart, founded in 2016. So yeah, more than six years we are in business now with Peakboard.
And Peakboard is kind of a unique name. Peakboard enlighten your data. If I have no clue about that, how would you describe it in a nutshell, what you guys are doing?
Yeah, so Peakboard is simply a communication solution. You can communicate and visualize data in real time in the manufacturing or logistic area. So the focus is on operational data. We have an all-in-one solution, software, hardware. And you create dashboards, you connect to different systems. We have direct data sources to ERP systems like SAP or Epicor, or also PLCs like Rockwell or Siemens. And then you create your individual dashboard with your data, and then you have it running on a standard monitor screen or touch screen in the production plant manufacturing.
And would you kind of call that is under the umbrella of a IoT solution?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, so yeah, you have many different you have different use cases with Peakboard. Also, our focus is the interactive part. Interaction is really important. So it's some kind of a human-machine interface. So yeah, definitely.
And so my understanding is that you guys take the data from the source, connect it, collect it, and then visualize it.
Yeah, so here you can see our hardware. That's our Peakboard box. So we use the Peakboard box to get the dashboard up and running on the screen, on the monitor, in the shop floor, or the manufacturing area. So the Peakboard box is simply a mini computer. Our Peakboard runtime is in a box, and the box is communicating with the systems in real time.
With the systems, you mean the data sources, the different machines, stations, PLCs, whatever.
Yeah.
And then this device kind of sits on the edge, collecting the data.
Yeah, it's a decentralized solution.
Visualize it.
Correct. Yeah, so that you can start with one box and extend other boxes in different areas. So it's very nice because the boxes can communicate to each other. So you can simply start with one box, connect it to your systems. You can combine data from different data sources like ERP systems or the PLC, and then you have your data on a dashboard. And then you can connect more boxes, and at the end you have a whole Peakboard network.
Okay, and is there any connectivity into any type of cloud?
Yeah, absolutely. You can also connect cloud systems.
And is that a necessary thing in order to keep the whole thing running, or you can set this thing on premise because of cybersecurity risk? Don't go the
That's
cloud pathway.
Actually very important because actually we are a German-based company, so data security is a big thing. The Peakboard box is local in the network. The communication is via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, local on the side of the customer.
And where does the data storage happen? Is that happening on this box, which is quite small?
No, it's not. You mentioned that we don't have the resources on the box. So the data storage, here we have another solution. It's called Peakboard Hub. It's also software. It goes with the subscription model, so it's included in our subscription model. With the Peakboard Hub, you have the possibility to store data and also use the data for further analysis, for example, with a BI tool. With the Peakboard Hub, you also have the option to have an overview about the boxes in the network and in your facility. So you always can track and have a look on your dashboard from everywhere.
Where are this data stored? Is that on-premise, edge, or cloud?
That's on SQL. It's based on an SQL server. Yeah, the data is on an SQL.
Which then can be on-premise again.
Correct.
Or cloud.
Or cloud. Both is possible.
It has both ways.
Yeah. Okay.
And is this the first trade show for you guys here?
No, actually no. It's the first time on the IMTS. We went to a couple of more small conferences in May and July. One in Pittsburgh, one in Grand Rapids. But it's the first big trade show here.
And what's your impression so far now today on day 3?
Yeah, I mean, Monday was a little bit slow. Tuesday and today it's great. I met so many people, and yeah, definitely it's awesome.
And we're kind of like halfway through now. The rest of today, Thursday, Friday, and then finally
Saturday
where we all break down because 6 days of standing.
3 days to go. But I like the show. I really enjoy it, and I'm happy to be here.
You guys selected, like us, the German pavilion. How do you like the overall setup so far here in this corner of the building?
I really like that. Yeah, it's everything is here. We don't have to set up that much. We just arrived on Sunday. Everything was prepared for us, so that's very easy. I think for the first trade show, it's a perfect start because you can just bring your stuff in, and then we are ready for the show. That's very easy. We always have support on site. I really enjoy that.
Any plans or special things happening the rest of the days of the show?
Today, no. I think we have one speaker slot on Friday. Patrick Theobald is talking about human-machine interface. So
that's interesting. How can people hear that speech?
It's on Friday. It's on I think it's also in this building, East Building, level 3. It's a solution theater. It's 9:30. Here you can listen to Patrick's slot.
Pretty cool. People go there and listen to Patrick. So you guys entered the US market just recently. What's the plan to conquer this continent?
Yeah, I mean, right now we are small, so absolutely we want to grow here in the US. Visit customers, also have our on-site support here in the US. That's very important. We also want to grow with hiring people. That's the schedule for next year.
Very good. And also work with partner companies, right?
Absolutely, yeah. Together with you, that's also planned.
Yeah, you guys' product fits right into the alley of DigitalituM, where we consult, sell, and implement digitalization tools for the manufacturing industry.
Yeah, I'm really happy to have you on board. Looking forward to our collaboration.
Yes, very good. Any last points you want to share?
I'm really happy to be here. So just come by. If you are in Chicago, just come by to visit Markus and me. Our booths are almost next to each other. Feel free to visit us on site.
East Building, all the way through in the Hannover Messe USA area. You see the big German pavilion area, and then side by side Peakboard and DigitalituM.